Best Luxury Large Cars for 2024-2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class. In the prestigious world of luxury large cars for 2024, the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class stands out as a captivating blend of opulence, innovation, and exhilarating performance. Mercedes-Benz, renowned for its commitment to luxury and cutting-edge technology, proudly presents the CLS-Class as the epitome of excellence in the luxury large car category. 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class, a pinnacle of modern elegance. The 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class makes a distinctive mark with its exterior design, seamlessly fusing a sleek coupe-like silhouette with refined details, creating an ambience of contemporary luxury. The CLS-Class's iconic diamond block grille, sculpted lines, and captivating LED lighting contribute to its commanding and distinguished presence on the road. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to perfection extends to the interior, where premium materials, state-of-the-art technology, and meticulous craftsmanship create an environment that reflects the CLS-Class's dedication to unmatched opulence. Under the hood, the CLS-Class delivers a performance that complements its luxury status. Boasting powerful engine options, agile handling, and Mercedes-Benz Air body control suspension, the CLS-Class ensures a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. This makes it an ideal choice for those who demand a luxury large car that seamlessly combines opulence with dynamic performance. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to delivering an unparalleled driving experience is evident in every aspect of the CLS-Class, solidifying its status as a leader in the luxury large car segment. Top luxury large cars of 2024, CLS-Class sets the bar high. While the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class rightfully claims its position as the best luxury large car for 2024, it competes with other prestigious models vying for attention. The Audi A7, BMW 6 Series Gran Coupe, and Lexus LS are among the contenders, each offering their unique blend of luxury and performance. The Audi A7, celebrated for its avant-garde design and advanced technology, remains a formidable competitor in the luxury large car segment. The BMW 6 Series Gran Coupe, known for its sporty yet elegant demeanor, adds an element of flair to the competition. The Lexus LS, with its meticulous craftsmanship and serene ride, contributes to the diversity of choices in this exclusive and competitive category. Consumer preferences and the pursuit of unmatched luxury. In an era where luxury car buyers seek an experience that transcends ordinary transportation, the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class aligns seamlessly with evolving preferences. The allure of a luxury large car that effortlessly integrates sumptuousness with state-of-the-art technology caters to drivers who desire a sophisticated and exhilarating journey. As consumers increasingly demand cars that offer an unparalleled blend of style, features, and innovation, the CLS-Class emerges as a frontrunner. Mercedes-Benz's legacy of crafting vehicles that redefine luxury ensures that the CLS-Class remains the epitome of opulence for those who seek a luxury large car that defines the essence of contemporary driving excellence. In conclusion, the luxury large car segment for 2024 promises an infusion of opulence and performance, and the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class leads the way. As Mercedes-Benz continues to redefine the standards of luxury, the CLS-Class stands as a symbol of how elegance, innovation, and performance can seamlessly coalesce, offering drivers a sophisticated yet dynamic driving experience that sets the standard for luxury large cars.